This is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Talks about niggas Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't wanna trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, we'll take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying?
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto every day? Hit that like, hit the subscribe. Talking about crypto news, technical analysis every day from the Wall Street guy himself. How's everybody doing? We bought a new mic. I'm curious, how does the sound? How's it coming out? How's the quality? Wondering if this mic was worth an investment. Got it as a gift, and I do appreciate it very much. Special day, and it is St. Patrick's Day. So we're going to talk about this Bitcoin price update. Bitcoin is getting a little bit of a rejection right now. Great shirt. Hopefully brings some good luck today. I think we've gotten enough good luck so far to start the day. But if you want to become a wolf, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell all notification. Become a subscriber today. That's the Bitcoin song. We're going to talk a lot of things. We're going to talk about this right here, why I'm bullish, even more at 20,600. We bounced off the 19.8 just about 9 days ago. We could have watched this. I got 14 likes. I appreciate that very much. I want a lot of people to understand that they don't realize how accurate the channel is. This channel is very, very accurate, guys. Watch this video from 9 days ago. 22,300. If you don't notice, 26,300 was the top. I have it pointed in a green arrow before we get rejection in the symmetrical pattern. Please pay very close attention to that. But maybe this is the last pump before we come into Wednesday. 4 hourly shifts us all the way back down up in here a couple times, and then we get it. So pay close attention to what I'm telling you on this indicator. Looking at this one here now, this is what I'm going to pay close attention to. We have not gotten an oversold zone. We want to pay close attention to what's happening. Well, it told us get ready. We flipped right about over here, and as we're coming up, as you can see here, the second M, see how it comes? The second M would have told me, okay, something bad is happening here. We're going to get ready to sell. Let's get rid of the indicator of the EMA. We can't even see what's happening. And now we can see candles and what's going on. And as you can see here, this is what we're talking about. It's giving. So I want people to pay attention to the technical analysis side of this. Right here, and I can't change the video line, we had here 26,330 something. That is this pattern. I said now, and if you watch this part of the video, it says we're going to break all the way through and down to about 19.8. Guys, that's exactly where we went. We bounced. Now we're all the way up here, and we're getting rejection again. So I don't want to go over an old video. It does get boring. But I want to talk about some things of that nature. And if you can see right here, 26,000, this was it. 26,300. Perfect. Coming into the top as we got that rejection, as you can see coming in, but we also bought at 19.8. So right now, this channel has pretty much been on fire. We have been wrong. We will admit. Did say that there was a chance 22,600 could occur if we pay attention to the Bitcoin price. And obviously, if we really, really pay close attention, well, 22,600 never happened. So we were wondering, we were a little concerned that this possibility of this level could have came all the way down and ruined our entire party here. Double bottom M like that. But we got a rejection here, as you can see. So that is now gone, and I'm very happy for it to be gone. So let's analyze Bitcoin now and talk about what is going on currently so you can understand there is a little bit of some rejection happening, as you can see here from this chart. Pay close attention. We could be creating a cup and handle on the 4-hourly, and that's exactly what I think is happening. So pay close attention to that. Looking at this right now, big cup and handle for Bitcoin. Looking at the 4-hourly, as you can see, we're getting a huge buy signal. So I do expect a little bit of some fall. Get that cup, get the handle right here to come in. Big possibility, but we need to hold the 25,000 now as support, right? We used it many times as resistance. We couldn't break above it. Well, here we are, guys. We're breaking above it, and it looks fantastic. So if you're paying attention to that sort of thing right now, watch the buy signal, look for the crossover. And if you looked on the video, I want a lot of people to understand, did you watch the video? Those Bollinger Bands? Guys, I could cry live. Those Bollinger Bands are gone. EMA ribbon with the Bollinger Bands. It's, wait a minute. What? Phil? So Phil, if you're watching, they brought it back. Oh my God, here it is. I don't want that. So we lost the EMA ribbon, Bollinger Bands, we thought. And here it is. It's back. So, Phil, I'll have to write to you in the chat and let you know that we got it back. I thought we lost it. I couldn't. Guys, I spent almost 48 hours looking for this chart, looking for this indicator. Love this indicator very much. As you can see right here, we flipped bullish right here, right at the 20,000. That's when it was telling us, looking to ready flip again to come bearish. But no, we continue to go back up. It was a fake out. And here we are right now in this pattern, as I was trying to tell you here. Look at this, coming in. So we're probably going to flip back down. I do have a couple levels for you to buy Bitcoin back at if you are interested. It's my basically my strategy, not financial advice. Just a gentleman twice as nice. And look at that, 24,148, or we have the 25-1 breakdown coming in here. So I do believe that there's a possibility that we see these fallbacks, pullbacks, however you want to put it. A lot of people call them different things. I'm looking for the exit out. And I could just get rid of the indicator, I guess, that way. But looking at this right now, it is looking like a cup and handle coming in for Bitcoin. Lots of things to talk about. 1.15 trillion market cap. Pretty exciting to see that in such a short manner of time. So we're going to break it down, get to Ethereum next. I will take one person's altcoin. So any one of you followers right now that are on and excited, come on in. I'm going to do one altcoin asset. The first person to comment now will get that option. So I hope you're watching, hope you're listening, and get ready to type away. So what do you want to talk about? You want to talk about Cardano, Polygon? I'm going to break down my strategy. Most likely, I do share interest with the asset with you guys, as many of us do like the same assets because we don't buy shit coins. Tron in the red here over here, but it does over the last 7 days here. I got 20%, Litecoin. Litecoin coming down a little bit for a good buyback. I do see that. I like to trade Litecoin. So we got Bitco, by economy. Chief is the first chief. No Indians answered. It was a chief. Chief Mondo, what's up, brother? So we got Chief in the house, first person to respond. They want to go over by economy, so I'm going Ethereum first. And then we're going to talk about this by economy. What I believe can happen here is I was looking for a 1727 buyback. Please be very careful. It was a 1727 buyback, and I do believe, and this was a different chart I was looking at, but this is what I was trying to do. You could get wrecked, so please be very careful. Right about 1725 pullback here and then get a nice bounce back to the upside if we may. But we've pumped a lot, so please be very super careful about this. It's currently getting a little bit of a rejection here. We'll see what happens. We've been getting a couple of them to the downside, then a big pump, faking us up and creating a new one. So if we do create and break above the price, currently at 1760 right now. So 1761 by economy is next, thanks to Chief. We're going to talk about that and then end the show. I hope you hit the like and subscribe. Obviously, we have been on fire. We were wrong about the very last video. I'm very proud to say, hey, guys, I was wrong about the 22.6, but please be careful because guess what? I've done that before and then turned around and been absolutely correct about the technical analysis. It just came a little too soon. So what's happening is we have to be careful for this. 1768, 1770 on Ethereum. I want people to pay close attention. 1780, excuse me. I believe that was the top price. Yep. Pay close attention to that. We're forming a double top pattern. This could remain and result into something very, very, very bearish. Please be very careful trading today and going into the weekend. If we're coming down and doing this, guys, that's when the 22.6 will come in, and I will look like a genius because that's how it happens. I don't know what the price is correlating to 22.6 on Bitcoin, but if I had to take a quick brief guess, I think it was a 50% move, and if we did follow in detail with that, it would be about a 1577 pullback on the Fibonacci, giving us a 50% pullback. Remember, we're revisiting the top for the double top, just like when we get a double bottom before we explode to the moon. Sometimes get a little upward momentum double bottoms, but we get the double bottoms and we are prepared. As we see here, this is where we're getting ready. Build the car, Fred Flintstone, and get the wheels going, and we were heading up. So this is something I look forward to doing it again, possibly right about the 1577 for Ethereum. If I were to jump back to Bitcoin, just to give you a heads up, this is what I was talking about earlier, talking about 22.6 possibly. We could see that, and that would be similar to what I was saying. So please be careful. Double top pattern could be happening, but I don't see it here. See the difference? The double top we're talking about on Ethereum, well, this would have been the double top for Bitcoin, and I don't see a double top here for Bitcoin. So as we're breaking through, creating a new higher high, which is beautiful, this is a very bullish momentum. I believe that we can come back down to 25.3, as I said, build support, get a huge bounce, and if we don't even go there, we could stop at 25.7. But there is a chance. I do believe I'm going to try and put an order in for this, and I'm looking for that to happen. No indicators out currently right now, I understand, and our target is going to be somewhere around that. So let's get to it. What is the next price target? Coming in, 25,100 for Bitcoin, 24,150 for Bitcoin pullback, possibly if this is happening, if we break through above the price and finish obviously above the 26.8, then we will continue. And then, like I said, I'm looking for a pullback, and then 27,000, about 400, 27,300 for the next big resistance. Is it now? We'll find out. Is it in the next run coming after this pullback? We will find out. All right, without further ado, please hit the like and subscribe. We are heading to Biconomy, and if you're paying close attention, we are getting a slight pullback, so please understand. Biconomy, what are we looking to do? Well, we could be coming down, we could be flipping, and we could be coming through to the 40-cent level. I will be paying close attention to that. I won't be playing, I'll be paying close attention to that. You little wise asses out there that I like to be. If somebody bits two words together and screws up, I love to make fun of them. So I know there's people out there watching, and I said playing, and I meant to say paying. So 38.6, guys, that's what I'm looking to see here. 38.6 is going to be important momentum here because I want this to be an inverted head. And if it's possible for Biconomy right now, this is what we're currently seeing on the charts, currently seeing with everything. Right shoulder, what I say, 38.6, 38.3, somewhere around there. That's what we're looking to do currently. So please, not financial advice. None of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm just a gentleman who likes to wear the visor. But pay attention, definitely, to mention as SVB collapsed there. You see that little update? Here it is, the right shoulder coming back in to match the left. Looking to go back up, but we could get a little bit of a fallback here. So pay close attention to what is happening. Fallback possibly to 39 cents, 38. This is Biconomy, the Ethereum blockchain Web3. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, get excited, because I love this asset and where this came from. If you go all the way to the weekly, Biconomy was something special in the bull run. So we're looking to get back into the next bull run and see if this thing can take us to where we really want to get to. I mean, this is just a start of the pull up here of where I think we can go. We're talking $3.13 this year. So Biconomy trading somewhere around, thanks to, who was the one who said Chief? Thanks to Chief, and he thanks me because we're doing TA on it. We're doing a little talk about it too. You got to do price history. If you're new with an asset, do some price history. Find out who the people are behind it. Find out the utility. Find out what is this all about, right? Do your homework. See what the people used to do. They used to work for Microsoft. It's very big, important things. People just they just invest, hit the buy button, and walk away. It doesn't work that way. So we're paying attention to a weekly chart here. As you can see now, finally getting some nice support. As you can see, the last time we did that, we did a nice cup and handle, and we got it all the way up to the top peak. So we're looking at a 47 cent, 48 cent Biconomy. Not a big jump, guys. Not a really big jump. Nothing really, I guess, that would jump out at you and get you super excited to want to buy this immediately. But I do see something similar in this trend happening. Weekly's getting a little bit of a bearish move here, but as you can see, we got a couple last time, fell down and then come back up. So you can see what's going on here. A little repetitive action for Biconomy. So I want to get into more of a trading type formation and show you what I think is happening. And like I said, right shoulder looking to form here. Could happen right away and go off. But what I'm looking for, the end result, if we break above the 47 price. As you can see here, I have a 47. Well, we'll probably tap out 51 cents for by economy. So please pay close attention to that. 50 cent by economy is usually where it likes to top out. If this is the time, after all the times we ask for the digits, we break out here, then you will see something similar to the 60 cent, 61 cent mark. So I'm looking for something like that to happen. The bearish momentum, we talk about all the bullish and all the bullish. If we break below 33 cents, obviously by that point in time, you've already lost enough money. What is the matter? We will see 26 cent repeat and possibly worse. So just keep that in mind. We must stay above in this right shoulder. It's very, very important. So that's what we're looking for by economy. Currently right now for the total crypto market cap, 1.15 trillion. Very strong, guys. I mean, very strong. It doesn't get any stronger than that. Getting back to the 1.14, but we'll see what happens. We could all the way come back to the 1.2, 1.3 trillion. The Feds, they opened up the floodgates for another bull market here, guys. What's happening? The banks are getting backed. How are the banks getting backed? Usually there's something called money printing, and this is what we're waking up to this morning. So if you like this channel, hit the like and subscribe. As you can see, nothing but green. Obviously you want to buy on the days where you see nothing but red. It always pays off, and it doesn't always, but if you really pay attention, guys, this is fantastic. This is something we were looking for, the Woo token. I remember that token. But getting back into some of the assets you may be familiar with, currently right now, FTM Phantom up 15.6%, Sticks STX 19.3%, IMX almost up 19%. Optimism up 11%. CFX 21%. So we do have some things moving around. As you can see, a lot of big green coming in. You got Algo at the 6. You got Ethereum Classic, Aptos. So all of the medium guys hopefully getting ready to jump and pump like some of these guys are doing. Remember, these guys are the most volatile. They're the most new ones. These are the layer 1 projects, been around hanging out for a while. So Man at the Decentraland giving nice possible gains. Same thing with Chainlink. As you can see, Dogecoin is a shitcoin, but it is doing okay. And we pay close attention to things like that. We want slow and steady to win the race. Unfortunately, Gary, we have done a bunch, and I do have to do a video on VRA. I guess I am due for that. So I will have to do one, Gary. Thank you very much for keeping that and staying very consistent. I do appreciate you guys very much. Every single one of you are different to me. And I'll tell you, I do appreciate everyone who does come in here and comment some of the things that they do, because they really keep this channel running smoothly most of the time. So VRA, we have to get some homework on that. We got to go to the next video. We'll see what we can do, Gary. I do appreciate you being very consistent with that and reminding us. So FDIC insurance, here's how certain bank deposits are backed by the government. I could put money printing on the bottom, be a jackass, and pretty much that's exactly the answer. But I want people to understand exactly what's going on, and this may really interest you. So hit the like and subscribe. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corp's FDIC standard insurance covers up to $250,000 per depositor per bank for every account ownership category for deposit accounts like savings, checkings, and certificates of deposit, CDs. So what happens, what spooked many investors, is that their deposits far exceeded that insurance amount. Fortunately, that's largely not the case for everyday Americans. And I wanted some people to really understand, because some of us have money put away, and I want you to understand how it may work today. And this is why Bitcoin is going to prevail. So please understand as part of the video how nice this is. Let's take a look at how it might work for you, right? If you had $150,000 in a savings account, $50,000 in a checking account, and $100,000 in a CD at Bank A, right? The total is $300,000 you have deposited, but would not be completely insured. You do understand that, right? $250,000 would be insured, and $50,000 would not be covered, saying bye-bye to that. But how fucked up is this? Excuse my French. That's because of the FDIC insured bank stipulation in the per depositor. I do not like this for every account ownership category perimeters, but listen to this. If you moved the $100,000 in CDs to Bank B, then the $200,000 at Bank A and $100,000 at Bank B were totally covered by the FDIC. Why should we have to do that? Very interesting question, right? So I don't like the banking system, guys. It just doesn't work. It doesn't make sense. And before we go, listen to what this wonderful gentleman, Robert, has to say.
Currency of the world. In other words, the dollar was as good as gold. That's all changed. And today we're in serious trouble globally and I'm very concerned. The end of the American empire is here. The message I want everybody to hear is the world is finding out that this is fake. It's not fiat, it's fake. And so the reason I don't get invited to CNBC anymore is because when I'm on there, I say I do not invest in anything that can be printed.
Bang. I don't even know what noise to make after that. Could you imagine? Could you imagine? What? He said it perfectly than any possible way I could ever say to my life. So thank you, Mr. Robert. It's not fiat, it's fake. It's real, it's fake, guys. This is a real deal. We could print the money. Anything that could be printed, it really doesn't exist, right? I could just rip it in half and throw it away. And they make a law that if you rip it, you can go to jail, because that's how important it is not to show how fragile the dollar bill really is. Guys, I can make money disappear in a half a second. You cannot make other people's Bitcoin disappear in a half a second. Understand how important Bitcoin really is. So I'm enjoying everything right now that's going on in this current time. I hope you are enjoying the crypto space, because, guys, this is the best time to be alive in crypto. So please hit the like, hit the subscribe. Talking about going on a ride. As we end this channel, I just wanted to say I love you all. Thank you so much for your support. We could not have made it this far to this channel without you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and we're going to come live to you and give you updates. Currently getting a small little pullback, and I do expect this. So what's happening is people are taking profits. You're waking up this morning going, holy shit, this is still a high price. So see you in the next video, my friends. Please share, like, subscribe. See you in the next video.